Binance not available in your region. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Binance not available in your region. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the Settings menu. Here, select Subscriptions to check your current subscriptions and ensure that everything is in order. Then, open the App Store on your device. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen to access your account settings. From there, go to Add Funds to Apple account and check if you have sufficient funds available. After that, return to the Settings app. In your Apple ID section, tap on Family Sharing to review any settings related to family members that might affect your account. Finally, go back to the App Store and tap on your profile icon again. Navigate to country or region in your account settings to verify your current region. If your region restricts access to Binance, you may need to consider changing your Apple ID country or region to gain access.